I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Today, we're gonna talk about puzzle cookies. My niece has these adorable puzzles, a ladybug, a bee, not my favorite, yikes, and a crab. And I thought they'd make perfect puzzle cookies. So I'm gonna show you how to transform those puzzles into delicious puzzle cookies. Let's start cutting out the dough. Since you don't want to put the puzzle pieces directly on the dough, make sure to put down a piece of wax paper first. Once you cut out the dough, you put them in the oven for around 10 minutes. They're done baking. Let's start decorating. Decorating the ladybug. Colors to whatever you want. No need to match it exactly. Thanks for watching, and remember, life isn't a puzzle to be solved. It's an adventure to be savored, especially if it's made out of cookies. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and puzzle making.